were delirious and
I was
மெதக்குற மாதிரி
completely disorientation to the core. Like,
first of all, it was so hot. Second of all, there was so much happening. There was pumpkin kitchen,
Yeah.
pachadi.
Puriyal. The bouquet of flowers that she prepared for him, so sweet. But we were like, never.
Just the two of us.
Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Just the Two of Us show. What we're going to do today? Tell me, like.
We're going to talk about our friend's engagement.
Yes, our friend got engaged recently last week, and we all attended it in Erode.
Yes.
And it was like
First
kind of
time out of the city.
Yes, and first sleepover, and it was so much fun. We have lots of details, and so
We're going to talk about that today.
உங்க கருத்து என்ன நீங்க சொல்லுங்க. கடைசியில நாங்க ஒரு கொஸ்டின் வச்சிருக்கோம். சோ அது வரைக்கும் வந்து பாக்குறீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு நல்லது. பாக்கலனா பாத்துருங்க. So now last week, like we said, we had attended the engagement. So what was so nice about it, we wanted to discuss with you guys, because at least for me, I come from a totally different state. But I'm born and brought up here. I'm a Tamil girl full on. Like my mom would kick me out of the house, but okay. But I'm so like into the Tamil culture, and I like Tamil culture and the festivals and the weddings. It's probably like the first wedding I've watched up close, and people were too nice.
Starting it was overstimulating.
Yeah, oh my gosh. The first, I remember, no offense to anyone. Like we went to her house, and we went to the terrace where everybody was sitting and like discussing, and she was there up in the first floor getting her mehendi done and putting mehendi for others and all that. It was just too much of people.
We entered and we see
like
a whole lot of people,
and
I was like, I'm done. I'm going out.
I was done. She blended very well for a person who says she is very anxious. Yeah, I was pretty surprised. I thought you would be the one who would want to go home, but I was done in like few hours. I was like, let's go home.
Tamil weddings are not made for the weekend.
Yes, absolutely agree.
Waking up early and all.
My God,
I think we both were delirious and
I was
மெதக்குற மாதிரி
completely disorientation to the core. Like I just had no idea what time it is. Like 8 a.m. felt like 1 p.m.
1 p.m.
And it was hot. It was very, very, very hot. The weather was like
40
horrible.
degrees.
Yes, and the people were nice because
they treated us really well.
Too well.
Like they treated us like they treated Vigashinis.
Yeah. So it felt like we were too important as well.
Yeah.
Like they were being like kannu. That's so cute. Like first hand experience for
usually பெரியவங்க இங்க கோயம்புத்தூர் இந்த கொங்கு சைடுலாம் வந்து
இப்படிதான் சாமி கேட்டிருக்கேன் நிறைய பேரு சொல்லுவாங்க கண்ணு 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 like even uncles were too nice.
Yeah, Vigashini's father.
Yeah. Shout out to Vigashini's dad. Sweet. He's so sweet. Like he's all the time smiling. Like it just felt so nice to see him like that.
I can't wait for the wedding now. Even though I was so tired.
Yeah.
I can't wait for
we woke up at 2 a.m. guys. 2 a.m. and we slept like 11.
11.
Like we were functioning with that much amount of sleep. For me, you guys have to know I sleep at 10 p.m. So for me, and I wake up at 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. Okay, don't count the sleep time and be like, this is so extra. But I need my beauty sleep.
நானும் அப்படிதான் எனக்கும் இந்த அளவுக்கு ஸ்லீப் இல்லனா I'd be walking like a zombie. I'm like thinking what I'm going to do on my wedding.
I am waiting. Like, big time waiting for Harini's wedding. Like she has to get married.
Not happening anytime soon. You really liked in the entire 2 days. 2 days na full 2 days illa.
One was sleepover.
Mm.
It's really fun.
Mm.
It's the first time it's sleepover outside of my house because usually everybody comes over here and we all have a lot of fun. This time in another house in another city, it was so much fun. So the sleepover was the best thing.
Best thing. எனக்கும் sleep over தான் best thing. It's my first sleepover ever, inside or outside my house. It's my first sleepover ever.
Yay! So yeah, so it's our first friend who is getting married, and the guy is so nice. We're so happy for her. I feel he's the most sweetest. Like they're meant for each other.
Meant for each other.
So we travel by bus from here to Erode and
Erode.
Erode and back here. So it's like my first ever city to city bus travel. It's the first time ever, and it was a very like we went to the bus stand, and that was all like first hand experience for me. I've never been to a bus stand before in Coimbatore, in Chennai. I mean, Tamil Nadu. I've been in Kerala and all, but they're like mostly in private buses, no, with those fancy horn and all that. From here, we went in a very nice bus, and when we were returning,
It's a whole nother story. First of all, it was so hot. Second of all, there was so much happening.
There was so
Two
much
private buses were fighting with each other.
Yeah, it was all like first time for me. I'm like, for passengers,
What's the point of this fight?
fight.
First of
Yeah.
all, Madhu was like stuck
normal.
between us. She don't know how to explain it.
Yeah, but she was so okay with it because she's seen it already and it felt normal to her. For us, we were like, huh?
What is happening?
Yes, so clueless. We were. Yeah, those two, there was a private bus in front of us and we were waiting for the bus behind. But they were going to take it earlier and I think it's illegal to like other people coming into the next bus or something
It's not
like
that. It's not that it's illegal.
Okay.
Just that.
There's some misunderstanding. Like they don't like it, like how you poach our passengers or something like that. And they forced us into getting into their bus. They were like, "Come, let's go." But this bus was smart enough. What did they do?
எங்க லக்கேஜ் வாங்கி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பஸ்ஸுக்குள்ள வச்சுட்டாங்க.
வச்சுட்டு இப்போ அவங்க கூப்பிட்டாலும்
எங்களால போக முடியாது.
And that bus left like 10 minutes
earlier than
and this bus started and started and started, but it never just took from that stand. It was so irritating. Like I was so done, and it was the worst experience ever.
That made Shri sleepless, and she wouldn't let me sleep also.
Sorry. Yeah, so we couldn't sleep and we had to come back here. I was just praying, like once we hit the welcome to Coimbatore Corporation welcomes you, I was the happiest person on this planet. I was like, yay, Neelambur, oh, this is Neelambur, wow.
Kodisha.
Ama, really santoshama irundhuchu once I saw the Coimbatore district.
How was the food?
Yum! I especially love Tamil sapada. Puli sadam is my favorite.
Puli kolambu
is my favorite. So once we went there, the first meal, like for lunch, we had was puli kolambu, paruppu.
I love paruppu, and I had paruppu and the yellow pumpkin kitchen.
Yeah.
Chidi.
Poriyal.
Okay, poriyal. We had that, and it was the best.
Yeah, it was
ever.
very nice. I just loved it.
We had
Oh yeah, chapati and ஈரோடோட தக்காளி ஃபேமஸ் இட் சீன்ஸ் உங்க ஊர்ல தக்காளி குழம்பு something
தக்காளி தொக்கு
தொக்கு sorry
and biryani, veg biryani.
Veg biryani, yes. It was very nice.
It was very nice.
I think it was curd rice also, but I didn't have curd.
Yeah, I didn't have it. One candid moment that you really loved. It wasn't like planned.
I think him kneeling on the
You remember the night before we were literally
Divika, she was ready to
her.
she was ready to kneel down and give the bouquet of flowers that she prepared for him. So sweet. But we were like, never. Like,
no girl, no.
no, it's not accepted.
Yeah.
And
she made him. Which I was so proud. Clock
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
That
sweet
was
of
a
him.
really
Candid and sweet.
sweet moment.
So next we have a very, very fun game segment planned for you guys. So welcome to our game segment.
Would you rather wedding edition?
Would you rather?
Wedding edition. Would you rather have a big fat wedding with 1,000 people or a small intimate one with 50 or 100 people?
First one, definitely big no.
எனக்கு.
I am not for big fat Indian weddings. It's such a waste of money. Like I could rather travel
Yeah,
together with
Mm.
that much amount of money or buy even a house.
yeah.
Like for the amount of money that we spend over weddings. So I would definitely choose.
I would choose a small intimate wedding because I have social anxiety and 1,000 people.
I
cannot.
completely disagree because I saw her for this engagement. I was like amazed by the amount of socialism, socializing that she did with people because I could never. I think I'm worse than you. I realized that. And by the beach
By the beach
or on a yacht.
or on a traditional villa.
Whoa.
Karaikudi villa. அந்த மாதிரி.
Yeah. Oh my god, that's so fun.
That's my dream.
That's actually I saw a reel 2 days ago, which is a wedding in Tadagam Road. There's a villa that they are renting out as a wedding venue for like traditional Tamil weddings. That's so cool. I'll send it to you. Would you rather have 100% stress-free space and have like a completely bad setup? Or would you like have the most aesthetic setup and worry over it like, oh my gosh,
Like rather
stressful.
worry over it. I need the perfect setup.
Actually,
Because-
yeah.
Yeah, because you're going to look at the pictures for the rest of your life.
Life. Definitely worry
Perfect
over it.
setup. I'll just worry about it today and look at the pictures and be like, oh, the setup is really cool.
Yes.
Would you rather have a super short function, like 2 hours and done, or a 3-day celebration?
Everything I want to have.
Ah.
Like mehendi.
Everything you want to have, but
Only
only
2
for 2
hours.
hours.
Yeah. Actually, yeah. I'm not joking, guys.
Yeah.
I actually want to wear like a mehendi, a sangeet, a reception, wedding, everything. Probably reception and wedding on the same day. I believe in wedding in the morning, reception in the evening on the same day.
Yes, same day. Not like the reception
So
day before.
yeah, day before. Such a
No.
it just triggers me so much because I don't agree with it. And haldi, I mean, and I don't want haldi and all. That's such a North Indian concept. But for me, mehendi. But mehendi is more like just like girls coming over to just like put mehendi for each other, get a mehendi artist and something like that. And sangeet on the same night. So probably a 2-day function, but like a 4-hour thing each day.
அவ்வளவுதான். அதுக்கு மேல முடியாது.
Yes.
எனக்கு வந்து ஹல்தி I don't want to do it like how North Indians do, but
No,
like
you guys have something called
நலுங்குன்னு சொல்லி we do it. அந்த மாதிரி I want to have it, but with the girls. I want to have lot of fun. Nalunguliye, but not like haldi.
Okay. But honestly speaking, according to our weddings, there's nothing of this.
Yeah.
It's literally just tali kattradu.
Yes. Kalyanam, reception, that's it.
We actually don't the reception came now only. We only had tali podrathu. There was no like kattradu, sorry. And we didn't have like these more ceremonies in the seer and இது அதெல்லாம் no none of the ceremonies and all that. Only like தாலி கட்டுறது கோவில் கூப்பிடுறது வீட்டுக்கு போறது that's all.
I attended 2 full weddings and எனக்கும் வந்து இதுல நிறைய எல்லாம் தெரியாது. But I think நலுங்கு அப்புறம் கல்யாணத்துக்கு முன்னத்த நாள் பொண்ணு அழைக்கிறதுன்னு சொல்லி they do one thing. அப்புறம் கல்யாணம் ரிசப்ஷன் that's it. And கல்யாணம் ஆனதுக்கு அப்புறம் ரிலேட்டிவ்ஸ் எல்லாம் நம்மள வந்து விருந்துக்கு கூப்பிடுவாங்க.
That is there in our side also.
அதுதான் வந்து இங்க மேஜரா பெரிய இதுவா இருக்கும்.
பெரியதுவா I don't know. Whenever they get the time they come.
ஆனா நிறைய ரிலேட்டிவ்ஸ் கூப்பிடுவாங்க ஸ்ரீ. ஒரு நாள் ஒரு
relative
விருந்து கூப்பிடுவாங்க. அது நல்லா இருக்கும்.
Would you rather plan everything by yourself or let your family handle it for you?
I would rather handle everything by myself.
Same.
Same.
Because I'm being nice. I don't want you guys to like
Yeah,
feel
exactly. That's
stressed
it.
about it. Family can give you inputs,
Ah,
but
can
they
do
shouldn't
that.
control the whole
Control.
thing.
No, you should do this here. You should get married in this place only. You should have a big hall. No, I want to get married in a villa or a temple. Murugan Kovil. That's where I want to get married. And my mother is like completely against it.
Usually, do they do marriages in Murugan Koval?
And my chitti got married in a
Oh, Murugan
Murugan Kovil. So I want to get married in Murugan Kovil too, guys. I'm having it my way or
Yeah.
I'm not having it at all.
I agree.
Would you rather have no photos or videos documented at all, or you can have everything documented but you can't fully enjoy the moment?
I want to document it.
Period.
Yes. Like, who does not want to document it? I don't enjoy the moment. I don't know. I probably would.
Yeah.
Who would not?
Yeah.
So I need it documented for sure. It's not like because we're so obsessed about pictures and videos and reels and none of that bullshit. We just want it documented. Like I want to show my children. I want to show my
Yeah.
grandchildren. I want to show the
I am looking at my parents'
yeah
marriage
like,
videos and photos, even like today.
so fun.
Yeah. So I want my kids to experience that too, bro.
Yes.
So,
I want everything documented. I want like not only me, though like you know what, to be very honest, what I want to say. Like now I'm seeing a lot of reels of engagement, wedding and all that. And they have such a like the focus is on the main character is the bride and groom, mostly the bride. And that is so beautiful.
yeah.
Like a woman gets to experience that. For me, like 5 years ago, if you asked me, I would not even care about all this because what? I'll be like that. But then right now, is it because I'm turning old? I don't know. Or is it because everybody's having a wedding around us? You never know. But it's kind of like so nice to watch it documented.
I feel the same. Segment 3. The question: Do you think weddings today are more about the couple or about everyone else attending the wedding?
I think it's about everyone. No, it's about the couple also, but mostly about people who's attending it
Attending the
also
wedding.
because there's a lot of focus. Initially, there used to be only focus on the bride and groom, but now the friends are included, the cousins are included. There's a lot of inputs from a lot of sides. And once you watch the wedding video, there are like so many people who speak in the wedding video. There are like too many people included. It's kind of like, is that what you asked, or did I like completely misread the
இல்ல நீ
question?
கரெக்டா தான் ஸ்ரீ சொன்ன. I just feel like ரெண்டு பேர் மேலயுமே தான் it's about marriage is about the people who are attending and the couple.
Yeah.
Because in Vigashni wedding we just saw her parents constantly standing in the front inviting people inside, because if they don't do it, these people are going to get mad, bro.
Yeah, they take offense to something like
Because
that.
they didn't இங்க வாங்கன்னு சொல்லல, வரலன்னு சொல்லல,
சாப்பிடுங்கன்னு சொல்லல,
அந்த மாதிரி
போட்டோக்கு நில்லுங்கன்னு சொல்லல.
இது நடக்கும் ஸ்ரீ.
Really?
Yeah. Tamil wedding is full of this சண்டை only.
Okay. I just realized like we are like so chill. We just have like no like in the mother issues we don't have like I
Yeah.
feel bad.
Samashree.
Girl, no.
Samashree.
Like
Because
a wedding has to have some drama. Our weddings are so boring to be honest.
you don't want this drama. I'm telling you.
Okay.
அடுத்த ஃபங்க்ஷன் வர வரைக்கும் these people will have grudge that
Yeah.
photo கூப்பிடல.
I think a few people, yes, even in our side, we have that kind of dramas. But
That's why I want to have a small wedding and invite only close family and friends, so I don't have any of this drama happening.
makes sense. At what point do you think celebration becomes pressure? I think when there are like too many people on stage
And they
have hundreds of opinions. Do this, do that, do this. Like once the Getty Mela was announced, like those aunties they rush to go tie the thali like as though it's their wedding.
let the guy do it.
Yeah, that's his only job at the wedding. Like let him do that. So I think that's when it becomes very pressure.
Also when they're like ட்ரெஸ் சேஞ்ச் பண்ண போகும்போது சீக்கிரமா
Bro, the outfit was planned
yeah
for each and everything. Give them the space. I think towards the end, the girl has a lot of pressure because she gets the acceptance that okay, she's
now
married
she is married
and she has to go into a different house.
House.
I think there'll be a lot of pressure
Pressure.
at that time.
for guy also there will be some pressure
I don't think
கல்யாணம்
so.
பண்ண போறோம் that's it
I think the when he's tying the thing on, he'll be like a
he'll-
lot of pressure. You kind
yeah
all
I
that.
correct
All that I agree, but I don't think after that they bother much.
they'll be like I got a wife
Yay!
the girls will be like oh my god I'm married
I need to share a room with this boy.
would you still want the same kind of wedding if social media didn't exist
Whoa. Social media didn't exist. I think we'll not know the idea for real content. Like, I think for posts and for some kind of reels that are fun to look at now with friends or cousins or something like that.
you want a
The
wedding?
wedding that is happening now, the style.
But it's a very deep question
Yeah. Like, you guys let me know.
yes
Would you
please.
still want to get this kind of a
wedding if social media didn't exist and you are not constantly posting about it, making reels, please do let us know.
what actually makes a moment feel special to you? Like people or the aesthetics or the emotions?
I think it's people. What's the purpose of getting married if you don't have your best friends, if you don't have your close family with you? Also emotions. You're also focused that everyone should be happy.
Yeah. What moment makes it feel special is, I guess, people. People, the right kind of people around you, your family, your friends, your well wishers. I think that's when it makes it really special because they're all happy for you and like that radiates out of them. I can say, like, for the picture that now at Vikashni's engagement, where I was just like smiling so much, and there was a photo.
we realized it that
We were like so happy. Yeah, I think at the wedding I'm gonna cry.
do you think simple weddings are a choice or a privilege?
I think it's absolutely a privilege for somebody who does not like big fat weddings. I think for people who like really like big fat weddings, I think it will be such a pleasure for them to go through a simple wedding. But for me, it's a privilege.
I think for people who don't have the privilege, it's a choice. And people who have the, privilege. நான் என்ன சொல்றேன் என்ன சொல்ல வந்தேன்னா ஒரு பெரிய வெட்டிங் பண்றதுக்கு சோர்ஸ் இல்லாதவங்களுக்கு
That
no choice.
a privilege. It's a privilege. Sorry, it's a choice. Yeah, it's a choice. Yeah. Oh my god.
And people who can do a big wedding, அவங்களுக்கு வந்து இது வந்து ஒரு
Privilege.
That's what. அதுதான் சொல்ல வந்தேன் எப்படி போயிடுச்சு.
So now we have a question for you guys. So you gotta be honest and let us know. Would you rather have a big fat Indian wedding
or a small meaningful one?
Yeah, a small intimate.
Let us know.
Yeah, let us know.
You want a small wedding?
Yes, absolutely.
Then I want to know more.
Okay, I want 100 people, and I want it either on a beach or on a yacht or on a cruise. It's like anything sea, and like I want to like I don't know how to explain. Like it needs to be like so many people, so many moments captured, so many outfits, so much of planning, so much of decor, so much of like very very traditional decor is what I'm planning. I want a very proper South Indian wedding, and I want all of the customs, whatever you guys do, whatever anybody does, like all of that needs to be included. And but I want it all in a smaller level. Not like
I'm only 2 hours.
yes, please, please keep up the time limit because the bride will be gone. You guys can do whatever you want.
At this wedding, at your wedding, you can hear everyone's thoughts for 10 minutes.
No.
But only during one part of the event.
Okay.
You will have to choose the moment carefully.
I think தாலி கட்டுற moment.
எல்லாரும் என்ன
என்ன
நினைக்கிறாங்க?
நினைக்கிறாங்க? Yeah. எனக்கு தெரியணும். நிஜமா நல்லதுதான் நினைக்கிறீங்களா?
Whose thoughts you are most curious about?
My mom. I'm scared, like what she's gonna think. And probably my dad also. My mom and dad, and my friends, and my cousins also. Yeah, basically everyone at the wedding.
எல்லாரும் இல்ல 10 minutesல எல்லாரையும் கேட்டாங்க.
Probably even the groom.
Hmm.
When like what he's thinking when he's dying.
Oh, I also know Sri.
That was so fun. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna wind up this session. Thank you for watching.
We had so much fun.
Yes, absolute fun. We just love shooting. We just love like to giving you more content like this and editing credits. She just works so hard to edit everything and like
She
post.
is not feeling well today, and I
Yeah.
literally forced her.
No, not forcing at all. Definitely no forcing. It's all like because we have so much fun together. I would always like rather rot in my bed. I would rather spend my time with her. The two of us. Bye.